ready to level up your crypto game and trade like a pro. Let's dive into the advanced features of Kraken Pro. First, familiarize yourself with the Kraken Pro interface. Notice the order book on the left, showing bids and asks, and the recent trades in the middle. This gives you a real-time view of market activity. You can customize your layout within the settings to better fit your style. Next, let's explore order types. The default is often market, but to gain more control, use limit orders. Enter the price you want to buy or sell at. Your order will only execute when the market reaches that price, allowing you to potentially buy lower or sell higher. To manage risk, master stop loss orders. This automatically sells your crypto if the price drops to a certain level, limiting your potential losses. Input your stop price and optionally a limit price to execute your order. Now, for the advanced stuff, margin trading. Be extremely careful here. Select your leverage ratio. Higher leverage means higher risk. Margin trading borrows funds to amplify your potential profits, but also magnifies your losses. Only use this if you understand the implications. Improve your strategy with technical analysis. Learn to identify chart patterns like head and shoulders, triangles, and flags. Draw trend lines to spot potential breakouts or reversals. Understanding support and resistance levels is crucial for setting realistic targets. Want to automate your trading? Explore the Kraken Pro API. You can generate API keys to connect your trading bots or scripts. Remember to restrict the permissions of your API keys to minimize potential security risks. Finally, stay informed. Keep up with market news, analyst reports, and project updates. Use Kraken Pro's charting tools and your newfound knowledge to make informed decisions. Trading crypto involves risk, so always trade responsibly.